everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your gold note feature not working? It's a brand new update and a few bugs are to be expected. But no worries, I'm here to help you get it back up and running. Follow along and I will show you how to fix this issue so you can start enjoying those shiny gold notes again. Let's get into it. Once you are in your Instagram, check whether your gold note is already working or not. If they are, try giving a note. If they're not, there might be some issues like your Instagram needs to be updated or there might be a glitch. So if your Instagram needs to be updated, you might check that. For that, head over to your Play Store. Once you're in your Play Store, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Here, go to Manage Apps and Device. Here you have to tap on Manage. This list will show you which app needs to be updated. So if you found your Instagram there, please update that and go back to your app again. Once your Instagram is updated, as my one is already updated, so I am going to give a note. You might already know you must write that word gold in your note to avail that option. And click on share. There you go. Your gold notes are back in action. If this fix worked for you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips. I'm here to keep your Instagram experience smooth and fun, so stay tuned.